Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Vivo Y27, and guys, and this is another mid-range smartphone from Vivo here in the Pakistan market. This phone is costing around 70,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. In this price range we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt Vivo flash charge. We have extended RAM feature, full HD plus sunlight display. In other words, we have water drop notch on the front. We have 50 megapixel main camera on the back, and the color I have is the sea blue color. And this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and this phone is really overpriced, and this phone should be around 55,000 PKR maximum, because this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC with 6GB of RAM. As you know, in the 70,000 PKR we have some smartphones that give you a AMOLED display with 120Hz and a more powerful Snapdragon 685, which you find inside the Redmi Note 12. So now let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y27, and this phone also available in the black color, but the blue color looks really nice. Now let's open this box, and on the top we are getting our device inside the plastic. So now let's start the phone from this plastic. Like as you can see here, it's a sea blue color looks like. So on the back we have matte finish, which looks really nice. The back is made up of plastic. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main, the depth sensor with LED flash, and the frame it is also made up of plastic. Again on the back we have some patterns. So anyways, now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have screen protector, which is already installed on the front. So now let's see what else we get other than the phones. So the first thing, we are getting a soft silicone case. Here is the quick start guys, as well as a warranty card. Here is our charger, and guys, again this is a 44 watt Vivo flash charge. Nice to see we are getting a fast charging. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB-A cable. Nice thing, here is our SIM ejection tool. So no hand-free inside the box. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on the left hand side we have nothing. So on the top we have our SIM tray. So now look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Also inside the SIM tray we have rubber, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. So volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a on off button / fingerprint scanner, it is on the right hand side. On the back we have a dual cameras, and this phone has a 50 megapixel main camera. Then we have a 2 megapixel, which is a depth sensor. Again in the back it is made up of plastic. I am really liking this matte finish. So on the front we have 6.6 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, not even 90Hz. I wish that we have a AMOLED display with 90Hz on this phone. Water drop notch, not even a punch hole. I don't know what is Vivo is doing in the Pakistan market. They launch every single smartphone in the high price. And guys, that is the first boot of the Vivo Y27. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has the IPS LCD display, and the colors looks really nice. We have a good quality IPS LCD display, but again with the 60Hz, this phone does not make any sense in this price range. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version about phone. So this phone is running on Android 13 with a Fun Touch OS version 13, MediaTek Helio G85 SoC on this phone. Also we have 128GB of internal storage out of 105GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. So the fingerprint scanner it is also not the fastest. And now let's go to the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. So here is the portrait mode looks like, and here is the night mode. Now let's go to the video section. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We also have a 50 megapixel mode. Here is our slow motion, and here is the pro mode. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and 8 megapixel selfie camera looks, I would say, okay. I wish that we have 32 megapixel on this phone. The front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, and here is the portrait mode with the front facing camera. Here is the night mode, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. Again, what I have to say regarding the Vivo Y27, if you need a smartphone in this price range, I don't recommend the Vivo Y27. I recommend the Infinix Note 30 Pro or the Tecno Camon 20 Pro or the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y27. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.